How to stabilize the video speed on Inshot app. If you are trying to stabilize the video speed on your Inshot app, first simply open up the application. And once you open up the app, you're going to have to open the project or the video that you want to stabilize. Here I already have one in my draft, so if I just play this, as you can see, this is a pretty normal video right here. So what you want to do is first head over to the speed adjustment, tap on it, you'll get the slider, so you can adjust your speed from 0.2 to up to 100x, which will make it a lot faster like this. And if you make it slower, your video will run slower. So as you can see, it's on slow motion right now. But what you essentially want to do is, if you want to stabilize the video, you're going to have to tap on this curved section, and then you can adjust the speed of the video throughout by adding these points. So you could delete it, or you could add multiple points on certain part. So you could add as many points as you need throughout the video to stabilize it and adjust its speed. So if you have different points right here, you could adjust the speed independently on the different parts of the video. So as you can see, if I want this lower video speed, I'm going to do this, and if I want to gradually increase it, I could do this as well. And that's how you basically stabilize your video on the Inshot app. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.